guys, welcome to the Highrise Hostess. I'm Jess. Today I wanted to do a makeup tutorial with you and show you how to do a glowy look. So I'm going to start with this Becca Primer. It's called the Backlight Priming Filter. I'm going to start with a pump of that. You can apply this with either your fingers or with a beauty blender or a brush. So I've got on my sunscreen. I've already washed my face. This is going over the sunscreen. So I'm gonna then do the primer for my eyelids. Here it is. Okay, so I use the Laura Mercier primer. Just gonna apply this to the eyelids here. Blend it in. Then I'm gonna take my Dior foundation. This is at 2N. Dior Backstage, shake this up. And then I'm gonna take my beauty blender, I'm gonna wet it a little bit and sponge it out. Just make it a little damp. I'm gonna apply a little bit more. Then I'm gonna take my Chanel Le Correcteur de Chanel concealer in 20 beige and apply it to my breakouts under eye. Then I'm going to take the beauty sponge again and blend that in. Okay, now do my eyes. So for today, I'm going to use the Neutral Eyeshadow Palette by bareMinerals. So typically want to use 4 colors. So I'm going to take the Bobbi Brown big brush. This is the Eye Sweep, and I'm going to use the lightest color, and I'm going to get it in the corners of my eye, kind of bring it over the entire eyelid. Then I'm going to take another brush. This is the Chanel No. 2 eyeshadow brush. I'm going to take a lighter color, so I'm going to use the sandstone color, and I'm going to apply this all over my eyelid. Okay. Clean the brushes later. Then I'm going to take another Bobbi Brown brush, an angled brush. This is called the Eye Smudge. And I'm going to take a shimmer color. It's a little darker. This is called the Tribe. And I'm going to apply this on the corners of my eye to add that lifting effect. You want your eyes to appear lifted. And I'm going to bring that over follow the curvature of your brow on the bone structure of your eye and on the corners up to the edge of your brow. Repeat this on the other side. Again, following your bone, the curvature of your brow. There, I'm done. Just kidding. Okay, lastly, I'm gonna take another brush. This is the eyeshadow brush by Bobbi Brown. And then I'm gonna take this color, it's called Believer, another shimmer color, and I'm gonna dab that just on the top of the eyelid to give it the pop. Closest to the lash line. Okay. And I'm gonna take a liner. So you don't want to add any color underneath your lash line here, because throughout the day it's just going to smudge and bring your eyes downward. You want that lifting effect. So I'm gonna take the liner and get as close as possible to the lash line. And then I'm gonna take a little cat eye again, just to draw. You can make this as dramatic or as non-dramatic as you'd like, but it just adds that lift to the eye. So this is the Stila Intense Black Stay All Day Waterproof Liner. Okay, next I'm gonna do my brows. So I was using the MAC, I've been recently using the Hourglass brown sculpting pencil. So one end is a like angled pencil and the other is the brush. So I'm gonna angle them up here, brush them out. And then fill them in. You want to follow the hairline if you're growing them in like I am. You just kind of want to fill in the sparsity. If you have very light lashes and brows, you want to just try not to go too dark, but a couple shades darker than your natural brow to frame your face. Come out too dark or wonky, just kind of brush them out and it'll take the pencil away and give them that more natural look. Alright, and my lashes are still not done, so let's add some lashes. I'm using the Hourglass Caution Extreme Lash Mascara. You want to not put mascara on your outer bottom lashes, because again, you want that lift and opening. So This is just a daytime look if you want that extra boost. You can curl your lashes, but if you're doing the fake lashes, or if you have your lashes done every month, I wouldn't use a curling wand. I do not have them in right now. Just with COVID, I've opted not to do that. And it gives your lashes a nice break. Okay, I'll start on the uppers this time. Okay, so that's done. And I have a couple of different bronze options. So this one is by Victoria's Secret. It is the highlighter Illuminator. Beautiful leather case and gold clasp. So I'm gonna take this highlighter brush, it's a MAC brush. I've had it forever, so I don't have a number on it, but it's a highlighter brush. Kind of swirl it around on here and add it to your bone structure. So this is top underneath my eyes, just above my cheekbone. Add it down the nose. And I like to add it above my eyebrow here. Following your bone structure, just into your temples. Where the light naturally reflects off of your face. Okay. I'm gonna take a bronzer. So my favorite is the WESTMAN Atelier. It's a nice cute bag. I love the packaging, magnetic. So this is the Biscuit Face Contour Stick. So I run this up the sides of my nose, along my forehead line, under my cheekbone, and then on the sides of my chin. And then you just lightly brush up, keeping that color. Add some blush. So I like Coral by Bobbi Brown. I use it a lot. I'm taking a blush brush. This is also a contour brush. I only use it for my blush. And I'm just gonna sweep it on the apples of my cheeks here. Upward motion towards the top of your ear. If there's two items of makeup that I won't leave the house without, it's blush, mascara. Just gives your face that awake and youthful look. Okay, so almost done here. Okay, I also love this WESTMAN Atelier. This is peau de pêche. So it comes in this beautiful leather pink pouch and easy travel size. So again, I'm just gonna take a little bit of this, put it Cupid's bow, again, just under my eye here, and on the tip of my nose. For my lips, I'm going to use a Charlotte Tilbury. This is called Lip Cheat, Reshape, and Resize Lip Liner. This in Pillow Talk. Nice natural pink. And then, again, the Pillow Talk lipstick. And then to gloss it up a bit, I love this. It's discontinued, but who makes this? Just a clear gloss on the bottom lip. And blot. And there we have it. Just a glowy, everyday, natural, but extra look. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope you enjoyed today's makeup tutorial, and I'm gonna go do my hair now, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.